Well, this is ORC or CQuebec. It is a virtual corkboard where you can post information on subjects and crimes committed in the organized retail crime in the Greater Montreal area, Quebec, and even portions of Ontario. It is a site where you can post information in this format. There is a title, the date where it was posted, the person who posted it. You typically add some text and the file number and the officer in charge of the file, whether it's posted by the private security or by police officer. We ask that this information appears. Try and keep the text as short and descriptive as possible. In this case, we see something that was posted by the private sector, but police officers knew the subject and added this picture after the fact. There's also a feature where you can leave a comment. I'll show you that a bit later. So you see different examples of posts. This one, again, by the private security sector. Pictures, obviously the quality of picture depends on the cameras. So you see different examples of posts. The information sometimes is also of an informative nature. It could be things that have changed in the law. It could be information about the organization. It could be the next meeting, stuff like that. You see, in this case, the person was arrested, or people were arrested, so this appears to try and keep track of who was arrested and who was not. You see different posts in both languages. We have people posting in English and French. The whole site is bilingual. So again, examples. You see this individual was arrested after his picture was posted on the internet a couple of days before. So an example of a successful post. Sometimes information is, as I said, about the next meeting. To give you an example of what the comment feature is, if you post something and you want to comment on it, if you click on this comment thing, you'll see, in this case, already 2 people commented on it. But if you want to add your 2 cents to it, you can just click here and enter a comment, and the person who posted the information, in this case, Police de Roussillon, will get your information directly via email. But other people, seeing that there's been comment on that post, can also read it, but they have to go look for it, whereas the person who posted will automatically get it. Other good features, the search engine. You could put any word that appears in the title or in the text, not in the picture. The system cannot read the pictures. But any word that appears, you click for the word, and you have all the posts in a chronological order that appeared that include the word genes, either in the text or in the title, and then you can click on each post separately and get the details of that, and come back to the list you just clicked here. There's also archives. If you remember posting something in March 2016, you can click there, and it takes you once again in a chronological order to the posts from March 2016. There's also information on how to reach the webmaster and the number of visits. So that's about it for the features on the main page. Once again, you want to come back to the main page, you click home, and it brings you back to the current post. About is basically what are we trying to achieve with ORC Quebec. But you've probably came to this video through QAPPS, so you've read about this. Same thing for membership. It explains who you need to be to gain access to ORC. It is a secure blog site, so the only way to get access to it is by invitation, and you can find out more about this through the site. So if you haven't come to this video through this, I encourage you to go to this website and get all the information. Criminal code information that pertains to ORC, about the criminal code, so new citizens arrest powers that came into effect a couple years back. Members, detailed list of the members with their name, their function, organization they work for, a phone number, and an email. So instantly by clicking here, I can send an email to whoever. So you see a long list of all the members from the private and the police. What else is there? A mailing list, basically the same list but extended, not only active member that posts, but anyone with an interest in ORC in Quebec. Create your blog, step by step to create your blog, one click at a time. Very simple, very convenient, but I'll do it for you in a short moment there, and you'll see how easy it is. Modus, tools and methods used by the perps to commit their crimes. So you see jammers, you see special keys to remove the magnetic tag, methods used. So these are usually sent to the webmaster by members and then uploaded to be shared with other members. Accès aux primitifs judiciaires is how to get access to court records, for how much and how to do it. The APSPQ-QAPPS brings you back to the site. So just an easy demonstration on how to get your blog online. You go to blog post, click add. This page will appear. So obviously here you put your title, and then here you put your text. If you want to add an image, you go over this icon and you click on this, and the pictures appear. These are all the pictures on file on the site. If you want to add a new one, you click on this. It gives you access to your computer, and you can go get the picture wherever it is. Once it's there, you pick it and you click insert, and it's now in your post. You can play around with it, resize it, and that sort of thing. Once that's done, you click on publish, and a few seconds later it will be live online. So this is basically it. This is the org ORC Quebec site, and we hope you join us. The more people, obviously, the better, and it has been very successful to date, and we hope to have you on site shortly. Thank you.